Verifying your HBO Max account is essential to ensure you have access to all the features and content available. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Access the HBO Max website or app. Open your web browser or the HBO Max app on your device. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Step 2. Sign into your account. Click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address and password associated with your HBO Max account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 3. Check for verification email. After signing in, check your email inbox for a verification email from HBO Max. This email may take a few minutes to arrive. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you do not see it. Step 4. Click the verification link. Open the verification email and click on the link provided. This will confirm your email address and complete the verification process. Step 5. Confirm successful verification. Return to the HBO Max app or website. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully verified. You can now enjoy all the content available on HBO Max. By following these steps, you can easily verify your HBO Max account and gain access to your favorite shows and movies. Enjoy streaming.